Hi, CD117. Just a real quick reminder that your activity plan needs to be focused on the curriculum of your classroom. So if you are creative curriculum or high scope or um, the Common Core or Michigan Department of Education curriculum standards, you need to get that information from the teacher that you're working with, because your lessons are going to have to include specific outcomes from your curriculum. Um, Another couple of points that sometimes get confused or lost in the activity plan is that you will need to do an assessment of student learning, whether that be a checklist, anecdotal notes, work samples. That needs to be included with your lesson, as well as discussed within your write-up, like what you found from that, how you would use that information, what data you found. Like, did, you know, 8 out of 10 students know that how to do an A/B pattern and 2 did not, and how would you use that information? And then the other piece that can sometimes be confusing or left out is simplifications and extensions. So make sure that you do have ideas of how you're going to simplify an activity, and how you would extend an activity. And every single activity can be extended and simplified. You have to be able to adapt for each individual learner in your classroom. So I just wanted to kind of put those things out there for you to think about when you're creating your first lesson. When you do your curriculum paper and do your interviewing, those are great questions that you might want to ask your lead teacher as well. If you have questions or want to meet or talk, email, call, stop in my office hours, let me know how I can help.